It looks like we have another interesting mix of glamorous glams. Hi guys, it's Crystal, and today we are swatching the Spread a Little Aloha trio from Glam Polish. These are actually available now. I should have posted these swatches last week, but I was working a lot of extra shifts, and now that that's calmed down, I'm getting around to posting my video. To start off, we have Aloha Oi Ai. I'm going to be 100% honest, I don't know how to pronounce some of these names, but I tried, and if I messed it up, I'm sure somebody's going to correct me in the comments, and then we can all learn how to say it. This is a really bright, beautiful cornflower blue. It's got bright pink shimmer throughout it, and then ultra holographic glitters just sprinkled in to give it a hint of pop. This does apply super sheer here. On the first coat, I was a little worried. I was like, this is going to take 3 or 4 coats. I kind of felt like the glitter might give it a texture. It actually goes on pretty smooth. There's not a lot of texture to it, but it does take 3 coats to be completely opaque, and luckily this is one of those polishes that dries a little darker than it applies. So when you're getting a little hesitant on the second coat and you're like, this isn't gonna work, it's gonna take 5 or 6, don't stress out. That third coat dries a little darker and the shimmer pops and you don't see your nail tip. It is gorgeous. I feel like I really got some great shots of the shimmer here in the still shots. It is so pretty. And I'm not a huge shimmer person. I used to like them a lot, but I've kind of gotten over shimmers lately. Next we have I Lava You. I love this. This is a peachy holographic with ultra holographic glitter. This is another one of the polishes that I've been calling just ultra holographics from Glam. They have put out quite a few of these recently. There were a bunch in the Halloween Horror Shop releases, a bunch in the It collection. They are gorgeous. I love these because they're just completely hollow filled. They're my favorite finish. They sparkle. I can't help it. I just love them. This one goes on really, really well. It does have a bit of a texture, so you definitely want some top coat. I only show it going on here in 2 coats, and I'm going to explain why. In the second coat here, I had to pull it out from under my lights and take some photos to see if it was photographing. And it does, because the base polish in this dries darker again. It's really hard to explain. But you can really see it in these still shots how everything's a little darker, the light's a little dimmer, because I took it out from under the bright studio lighting. Last but certainly not least, we have E Como Mai. Once again, I don't know how to say these names, guys. This is a lavender crelly, and it has the ultra holographic glitter, but it also has like little iridescent color shifting flakies. This one I think would be a second favorite, and then I think the first polish would fall into last place for me because I really love the lavender crelly base on this polish. Once again though, I was really worried that this one was going to be like a 4 or 5 coater, because as you can see when it's going on here, I'm getting no coverage is what I felt like. I felt like there was no color payoff. It was so sheer. And then on the second coat, it really started to build up and it surprised me. And I was like, okay, maybe this will work. And on the third coat, I decided not to go with a 4th. I figured the third coat is what we're going to settle with. We're not going any higher. If it's opaque, it's opaque. If not, it's not. And actually, the flakies in this polish end up kind of spreading out and giving you that completely opaque look. I couldn't see nail tip even under bright lights, and they have a shimmer to them that is really poppin' and kind of gorgeous. I don't know why, there's just something about it. And I'm not big on the flakies. I mention that all the time. I'm not huge on the flakies. And Glam is so big on the flakies. But I really like that polish. As I said earlier, these are all available right now. They retail for $12.50 individually, or you can get the set for $36. I'm going to link those all in the description box, as well as my blog post. As usual though, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more fun stuff and tutorials. And seriously, holidays are coming, and I will see you guys next time.